Hi, my name is Lindokuhle Manana. My name is Lindokuhle Manana. I go to Zulu Primary School in Tsakani. Many people do not understand me. Because I am different. They make fun of me and they call me names. I wish I wasn't different. I wish someone can understand me. Sometimes I feel so alone. Our school has a way to help learners like me. I have a problem reading some words. For the first time, I'm enjoying learning. My name is Lindokuhle Manana. Thank you, Zulu Primary School.
My name is Lindiwe Vilagazi. I am a principal at Zulu Primary School, which is situated in Tsakani. This school is a full-service school, which means that we cater for mainstream learners as well as for learners with specific learning barriers. We have two specific programs which are learner-centered and are individualistic. It is financially difficult to maintain such programs. Book a table and make a difference. Come party with us as we put determination and overcome adversity through success.